Hi, it's Ronnie, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where I give you a meal planning tip or teach you about a feature of Plan to Eat in 2 minutes or less. Today, I want to talk a little bit about how you can use tags and menus to plan ahead for holidays or special occasions. Now, I'm recording this in January, so a lot of the holidays that we normally have during the year are behind us. But looking forward into the new year, you might be looking to organize the recipes in your account or save meal plans from the holidays that just happened. So I'm here in the Plan to Eat app. I want to create some tags for holidays or birthdays so I can quickly find those recipes when it comes to planning ahead for those times. So here in the app, all I need to do in the recipe book is tap on the 3-dot menu. This is where I can come in and I can create custom categories and tags. So I'll tap on Edit Tags. You can see I have a few things here, but I think that I want to create a Thanksgiving tag, and I'll add that. I also want to create a birthday tag and add that. And now when I go back here to my recipes, I can take this dessert recipe, this fruit pizza, and I can edit it and add it as a birthday recipe. Save that. So something really simple to do in order to be able to find these recipes faster in the future is going to be to add tags to them. So that way you're able to just search for that tag and then you can quickly add those recipes to your meal plan. Another thing that you can do is you can also create menus, saved menus, and use those in the future when it comes time for holiday planning. So if I tap on the meal plan, I can go here to menus and I can add a new menu with the add new menu button. And then I can come in here and I can plan these recipes. I can even do the filters option, and I can filter by this tag that I created. And so I can add this recipe here for my menu. And obviously I can add so many more things in here. I can add notes and ingredients. I can add, multiple recipes. And so now I have a Thanksgiving menu that I can use this upcoming year for Thanksgiving so that I don't forget all of the recipes that we normally like to have for Thanksgiving. So this was just a quick overview of how you could use both tags and menus to find recipes and quickly plan for holidays and special occasions. If you have questions, please email us at help@plantoeat.com, and I will see you again soon.